problem, man.
Yeah, but he might want to stay as long as you stay.
I don't mind.
But anyway, up there was all red oak and walnut, black walnut.
Oh, man.
And my father would put it on his lathe and he'd do stuff with it. And we still had so much, we'd burn it in the fireplace.
Oh, my gosh.
Now that I think about it down here with all the tube copper, man, I wish I had some of that.
Yeah, we've got a couple of guys who are stabilizing the wood, where they'll take and draw polymers through it,
Right.
under a pressure or a vacuum. I don't know the process exactly, but that makes it impervious to weather.
Wow.
Impervious to what?
Weather.
Weather.
Yeah.
Wait, what do they do with it now?
They draw epoxies, some sort of resin through it. I think it's an anaerobic epoxy or some sort of anaerobic resin.
Just fills all the pores.
Oh yeah. If there's voids in it, like if you got a nice piece of spalted wood with great big holes in it, it fills in the holes. They can run dyes through the wood.
Man.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, maybe
amazing.
we're on Facebook, somebody wondering what the heck they're going to say in the background.
Okay, well, shut up.
Nah, I'm not telling you to shut up. It's funny.
Well, the beauty of it is now they'll have homework.
Trying to figure out what we're talking about.
Spalted. Anaerobic polymers. What?
Waterproof wood?
The scientists, everyone.
Yeah, it was just amazing. I mean, you'd make furniture out of it. You had all this beautiful stuff. And now you wish you had it all back.
Whoops.
That's not good.
There's fire.
That ain't good.
Flash! Kinder Farm burned down today.
Well, hopefully not the whole place.
When never can tell.
Just the goats.
I'm done.
You're done? Okay.